let's evaluate the integral of tangent squared x times secant x dx. In earlier videos, we learned of techniques how to integrate products of powers of tangent and secant when power of tangent was odd or power of secant was even. In this case, those techniques do not apply because power of tangent is even and power of secant is odd. So whenever that's the case, we're going to use the following trig identity: tangent squared expressed as secant squared minus 1, and we're going to eliminate all the tangents from the integral. So this tangent squared is replaced with secant squared x minus 1 times secant x, and this is the integral of secant cubed x minus the integral of secant x. Now, there are previous videos that were done earlier where we derived the integral of secant cubed using integration by parts and integral of secant by substitution. We can just recall those, write them, and write the solution. Or I'm going to do a different technique called reduction formula technique. And these are important techniques. They work for tangents, secant, sines, and cosines, for everything. The formula, the reduction formula for secant is this: secant to the n of x is equal to secant to the n minus 2 of x times tangent of x divided by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 times the integral of secant to the n minus 2 of x dx. Now we'll use this formula to integrate secant cubed. So secant cubed exactly fits the formula with n equal to 3. So replacing every n on the right with n equal to 3, we have secant to the n 3 minus 2 power, that's 1. So secant x tangent x. 3 minus 1 is 2, so divided by 2, plus 1 over 2 times the integral. 3 minus 2 is 1, the integral of secant x dx. Now we know how to integrate secant. Let's return to our original problem. Our original problem was the integral tangent squared x dx. We expressed it as the integral of secant cubed x dx minus the integral of secant x. By the reduction formula, the integral of secant cubed is 1/2 secant x tangent x plus 1/2 times the integral of secant x. And then we subtract the integral of secant x that's part of the integral. So simplifying this, our answer is 1/2 secant x tangent x minus 1/2 times the integral of secant x. Now the integral of secant x is what you should remember or derive again. I'm not going to derive it here. You should look at an earlier video. So here's the answer. The integral of tangent squared times secant is equal to 1/2 secant x tangent x minus 1/2 the integral of secant. The integral of secant is natural log absolute value secant x plus tangent x. And now we can add c at the end. For more videos, visit www.mathprepvideos.com.